some standing water, so that's the thing, especially when it's dark out and you can't really tell how deep it is. Hydroplaning always becomes a concern, so just slow your speeds down a little bit this morning. We're going to be up around 80, though, this afternoon, so
it already feels warmer.
The humidity, it's coming in, definitely, over the next 24 hours or so. Satellite and radar shows some showers and downpours still left over out there right now, too. The road spray's kicking up. You need the wipers on in eastern Massachusetts right now. Let's zoom in. I'll give you a look at some of the steadier downpours that are moving right through southeastern Massachusetts, right near Whitman right now, lifting through Brockton in the last 30 minutes, come through Rockland and Abington in the next about 45 or so. Braintree to Milton, stretching back up towards Quincy and into Boston. Lighter rain that extends up through the North Shore as well, with some light showers from Lynn back up to Revere. We have a couple more, too, when you get from Salem, New Hampshire, right down 93 towards Lawrence. These are all lifting off to the north and east and will come through the Merrimack Valley over the next half hour or so. 66 in Boston currently, 72 in Taunton, 70 in Falmouth, and a little cooler north and west of town. So what's happening here is we have a warm front that's slowly lifting north, and the dew point kind of tells the story. It's still fairly comfortable north and west of Boston, but it gets really sticky south of town, and that warmer, more humid air will be pushing in through the day today, but that will also fuel the threat for some showers and storms. So it's not pouring the entire day, but there will be some shower activity around through the morning. Notice through the afternoon, some pop-up showers and thunderstorms possible, some downpours embedded in there as well. So it's a day to have the umbrella with you. There will be some scattered activity for the evening commute that will continue at times overnight tonight as that warmer, more humid air lifts north. What about tomorrow? 7 a.m. morning commute, some showers and downpours north and west of town. And once again, a very similar day where we get some peaks of sun. We get some showers and downpours that crop up kind of sporadically during the afternoon tomorrow as well. Not much sunshine the next couple days, too. Temperatures up around 80 today. Increasingly humid, mild and muggy tonight. Scattered showers, overnight low right around 70. Highs tomorrow in the 70s, so not quite as warm as today because of the wind direction. It's going to turn onshore, so the coastline will be around 70. We'll be in the low to mid 70s inland. Meanwhile, 5 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. Florence is a significant storm, Category 4 still. Impressive structure here. The latest update with this is now hurricane watches have been issued. All the pink areas here. So the entire coastline of North Carolina, stretching back down to South Carolina as well. These will obviously be upgraded to warnings as the storm approaches. Anticipated to be a Category 4 hurricane as it makes its landfall, likely somewhere along the North Carolina coastline as we head into Thursday overnight. And then the problem is that Florence, as it comes inland, slows down and just kind of sits over the Carolinas, dumping just a massive amount of rain. So while the wind will be strongest at the coast, these yellows indicate 10 to perhaps as much as 20 inches of rain. I wouldn't be surprised to see some locally higher amounts, too. So the impact here in New England is going to be for rough seas and surf, as the surf is going to be building up and down the eastern seaboard. We're going to be warm this weekend, too, with sun and clouds, temperatures in the low 80s. Looks like we'll be dry as well, mid 80s to start next week.